It is such a beautiful day for a new cat ventures! Woo! Okay guys, so for today's cat ventures, we're here in China! Ayan, so first time ko lang rin dito sa China and first time ko lang ulit makakapag-vlog after a really long time. So, ayan, I missed you guys and I'm so happy to be back. Ituloy-tuloy na natin ang mga cat ventures natin. But anyway, yes, I'm here in China right now and actually we were invited by a bus manufacturer. It's Yutong. So, yeah, yung family ko kasi we're into public transportation. That's why we're here. So, more of that later. And guys, as you can see, yung araw, parang feeling ko binibake ako dito. Hindi ko in-expect na ganito kainat sa China. Pero feeling ko kasi yung month na to, mainat talaga yung weather. But anyway, we're already here sa hotel. So we're about to check in because later on we'll be having dinner with the rest of the Yutong team and the other bus company owners from the Philippines and from other countries. So tara, mag-freshen up muna tayo guys.
Nasa lobby lang tayo ngayon. We're still waiting for our room kasi sobrang dami namin talaga. Sa Pilipinas pa lang parang almost 20 ata kami. So while waiting for our room, let's do an unboxing. This is a gift from Yutong. First, we have a Yutong cap. Yan, perfect to. Kasi sobrang inat sa labas talaga. As in, wow. And then, we also have our ID with our names. And my name, Lazinska Catrice Krolf. Yes, Lazinska talaga yung first name ko. Catrice is just my second name. And Kat is my nickname. So, in-adjust ko na sa inyo guys. Kasi ang hirap i-pronounce ng pangalan ko. So, it's Kat or KK. We also have parang catalog ata nila to. So, since we're going to their factories, sana makakita ako ng ganito. I'm assuming na makakita, well, makikita namin yung mga iba-ibang bosses nila. Like all the innovations, the advancements in technology. Really looking forward. So, tomorrow namin gagawin factory visit. It's a heavy box with... Ay! Oh! Ala, ang ganda! Ay! Ang ganda! Pang ano? Pang gin? Pang whiskey ba to? Wow, I love it. Sige, pang kape na lang since maaga pa. Oh, tapos may coaster. So, there you go. Okay guys, let's do a quick room tour. So we have 2 beds here. Ayan, very spacious. And we have a TV there. And then we have a beautiful bathroom. Hello. So ito nga guys. Hindi ko naman in-expect na magkaibang kwarto pa pala kami ng kapatid ko. Grabe. So I have this whole room to myself. Me, myself, and I. I-date ko muna yung sarili ko. So yeah, first time ko mag-hotel mag-isa. So yeah, let's just enjoy it. So ang ganda ng view from our room. My room. Sanay talaga ako na may kasama. This is the view from my room. So I feel like I don't wanna change already kasi sobrang konti lang nang dinala ko na outfits for this trip since mostly we'll be visiting the factories lang. So yeah, konti lang talaga dinala ko since 4 days lang rin talaga kami dito. So, para maiba yung look, nag-headband na lang ako. And then that's it. I'm ready to eat dinner. Let's go! Kinabagan! What a very long day. Sobrang sarap ng pakiramdam na nakapag-shower na. Wala naman kami masyadong ginawa for today, pero sobrang nakakapagod lang because of yung travel itself, yung biyahe. Kasi from Manila, nag-Hong Kong pa kami for a layover. So Manila to Hong Kong, 2 hours and 30 minutes yung flight. And then sa Hong Kong, may 2-hour layover. And then from Hong Kong to here, mga 2 hours and 30 minutes also. So parang mas nakakapagod yung connecting flights. Tomorrow is a whole day. We will be visiting the factory of Yutong. So after that, meron pa kaming dinner with everyone. So nakita niyo naman sa dinner kanina na ang dami na namin kasama. So tomorrow, I feel like mas madami pa. At least you get to meet different people from the bus industry as well. Actually, may mga nakausap na kami na owners ng bus company sa Pilipinas. So, nagtatanong kami ng questions ng kapatid ko sa, of course, sa mga veterans na, sa mga pro na sa bus industry. So, yeah, we gained a lot of insight and realization. So, yeah, ang dami rin namin natututunan. Anyway, let's do our skincare first. Naiinis ako, guys, kasi ito lang yung skincare na dala ko. So, this is my Kiehl's Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. Actually, ito yung una ko ina-apply. And then, I apply retinol and then moisturizer after. So, nakakainis. Kasi nakalimutan ko yung retinol siya moisturizer. So, I just have this one. Pero, yeah, para at least matanggal yung mga dark spots natin. Lalo na, ayan. Yan guys, so, nakikita nyo yan. Guilty pleasure ko kasi ang magkot-kot. And even my lips. So tomorrow, almost the whole day, nasa labas kami. And expect ko na sobrang inat talaga. Inat pa nila guys. Walang hangin at all. Kaya parang nakaka-suffocate ganon. Tapos when we got here pa kanina, tinitingnan ko yung buong place. Tumitingin na ako ng mga convenience stores na pwede ko mapuntahan, mga coffee shops, ganon. Guys, walang malapit dito. Usually, pag mga ganitong oras, like right now, it's 11 p.m. Trip ko talaga pumunta sa mga convenience store, tapos tinan ko yung mga snacks nila, yung mga ice cream, ganon. Pero dito, wala. From here sa hotel, pag tinan mo, left and right, wala talaga. So yeah, guys, maaga pa tayo tomorrow. I have to sleep already. And good night, guys, and see you tomorrow. Mwah. Good morning. Okay, I'm almost ready. This is my outfit for today. It's just a simple top, pair of jeans, and then my Converse. Since mag-factory visit kami, they told us to wear comfortable clothes. Buti na lang nakapag-pack ako ng sando kasi guys, sobrang init outside. But yeah guys, share ko na naman sa inyo yung isa kong fail moment. So sobrang nagmamadali na naman ako mag-pack. Dala ko yung buong makeup kit ko. Except for my brushes. Ano na? Paano na to? Paano ko sila i-apply? Gagamitin ko yung ring finger ko. Nakakainis kasi sobrang dami ko talaga naiwan sa Manila. Like yung DJI camera ko naiwan ko sa Manila. That's why I'm using my Insta360 X5 right now for vlogging. But anyway, hindi tayo magpapadala sa negative vibes. And so since it's going to be so hot and then we're going to be outdoors then, of course we have to wear sunblock. This is really perfect. Wala talaga siyang white cast. Konti-konti lang. I do this just to fill the sparse areas of my brows. Para siyang klabebe for me. Simple makeup lang tayo for today. Since factory visit lang naman.
Sit down. Yeah. Aim the coat.
Okay, so we're here at the Yutong factory. Good morning po. Good morning. Wow! Sobrang futuristic. Guys, look at that. It's purely electric. and walang mga driver. So, first time ko makakasakay ng ganyan. Yay! Let's experience the autopilot na bus.
Saan kayo?
My God, ang galing. Nag-overtake siya mag-isa.
What an experience. Ang galing. Sobrang advanced dito as in. Nakakatawa. Tapos ang cute pa ng design. So, this is where they test their buses. May pa-obstacle course. Oh my God. Oh my God, parang nakaslant. They provided us with this headset. Naririnig na namin sila. So, dito na-explain kung anong ginagawa nila rin. So, we're the lucky three na pinili na sasakay ng bus na tinatest nila doon. Oh my God!
Doing it to have a sister.
Ganda ng loob.
Okay, so, nandito na tayo sa track. Parang roller coaster. Oh my God! Guys, nakaslat kami. Oh my God. Oh my God. More. A rough road. Uy, ang galing. Rough road talaga. Iba-ibang road conditions na tinatest na lang.
Sa Pilipinas, pag umulan lang eh.
Sa akin, host lang ginagamit.
Sa kanila social, no? May ganito pa. Sa atin, host lang ginaganon.
Ginaganon na yung host sa ano.
Nataasan pa nila yung pressure. Ang galing!
Na, walang leak at all.
That was fun. So, bago nila ilabas, ibenta yung mga bosses nila, they make sure talaga na i-test muna nila. I-test the brakes, the acceleration, the tires, the engine. So, grabe yung standard nila for quality. Galing. Convincing. Sold na yan, sold! May environmental simulation test area to. Oh my God! It's negative 25. Oh my God! Sobra na lang. Wow! So they do this to test the bus kung kaya na mag-operate in this weather condition. So as you can see here, tinatest na yung bus. Kung since ang inat sa labas, pumasok na kami dito. Grabe lamig! So naglalakad na kami sa venue for our dinner / after party. So sobrang dami. And then full prod, ang daming mga lights and cameras. So behind us also are the line-up of yung buses. Iba-iba yan. So sana pwede ko pa silang mapuntahan isa-isa later because I'm really curious kung ano yung itsura ng interior, of course. So wow, grabe, sobrang dami namin ngayon. Very global itong brand ng Yutong. I didn't know that it's such a big company. So, ayan. A lot of different bosses here for different purposes. Meron pa dun sa likod. So, konting lakad muna tayo dito sa initan with the blazer. So, we're going inside their coach bus. May naka-appetizer and wine. Nagutom na talaga ako. But yeah, let's go inside first. Kasi ito yung mga bus na ginagamit for provincial provincial, for the province. For provincial meat. Kasi sobrang ganda. Very, very premium quality. Grabe, sobrang ganda. And yung, ano niya, capacity niya, parang more than the usual na 40 passengers. So, at least, they maximize the space. Pumuna tayo dito. Saan tayo punta? Diretso na tayong Baguio.
Fire away.
Yes.
Wow.
Bombay! Gin na to. Yay! Party, party. One for you and one for me.
Aga. Yo.
Prom talaga yung pinuntahan natin. May corsage and ano yung tawag dito? Boutonniere. Cute! Hello! So for our dinner, hindi ko na-expect na ganito kabongga yung setup, guys, with the stage and everything. Wow! Ano naman to? Nakaka-VIP masyado. Oh, grabe the effort of Yutong. So we're going to stay here by the stage. Wow! Ang bongga! Good morning! So for today, nag-field trip kami! Let's go! Ayan, yun yung mga sasakyan namin ng mga bus. Because today we're going to do a city tour since it's our last day here. So susulitin natin yung araw natin dito. Kailangan natin ng madami energy! Let's go! 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 Field trip! Okay, may palut ba?
Thank you.
So they have a care package for today's tour. So as you can see, ang laki-laki ng pamaypay because it's going to be a hot and long day. So then we have snacks. Ito Oreo, favorite ko to. Ano kaya lasa ng Oreo dito sa China? May different style. Yan. Crackers. Then we have tissue. And red one. So, sobrang handy ng weapons dito by the way guys. Kasi wala silang bidet. Saan walang bidet? So, and then ito, magnet. And then, what is this? Cooling towel! Oh, nice! Usually nakita ko nito sa Japan. Pero yeah, perfect din to since sobrang init talaga dito. And then, of course, you have to hydrate. So, thank you sa lip balm. Okay guys, so for our last stop for today, we're here at Millennium City Park. So as you can see, ang daming ilaw, ang daming lanterns, very vibrant talaga ang culture ng China. So, ang gagawin namin dito, manonood kami ng cultural show about, I think the Song Dynasty. So, very exciting yan. And then, as you can see din guys, sobrang daming tao. Grabe! Kasi it is a popular tourist spot here. And sabi rin kasi sa amin kanina na hundreds of shows daw yung pinapalabas dito. So, yeah, nanonood kami one show for tonight. And then sa sobrang daming tao, they provided us with this bracelet na lakas mga Coldplay. Because ang hirap kasi magkakitaan. So at least makikita if part ng Yutong na group. Guys, it's even more beautiful inside. Grabe. Ang hilig sa ilaw, no?